Good morning, it's Saturday, July 18th, and we're here on our virtual shop tour. We can see here rail cars number 3 and rail cars number 12 sitting inside the shop, just parked, ready to go out should they be needed. Over here on the workbench, we can see some of the bearings for axle bearings. These are smaller ones that are on the passenger cars. And over here we can see 2 boiler check valves that came off the number 15. We've got new ones on there now, which we're going to show you today. Over here sitting on the number 2 track is locomotive number 15. 10 returned to service this past week and is right now out on the main line. 15 is getting some minor adjustment work. We did those check valves that you see there on the shelf, and a few other little tune-ups, and then it'll be standby until needed. And those of you planning on coming up, we will see 15 back in service on Tuesday. 10 is going to come in for some adjustments and then go back out in the line. Wanted to show something interesting here. Here are the horn brasses that have come off of the number 10. And if you look closely at several of these, they're all kind of egg-shaped. And so these are the ones that, designed to wear out over a couple of years. And these 10 have been replaced on the number 10, which are on it right now. See, number 15 is ready to go. This big line right here that goes underneath it, that's an air line. This smaller line right here is the propane line. Over in the front, you can see the air tank has been drained. Over here around to the fireman's side of engine 15, you can see there's the shutoff valve for the water that goes into the boiler. And then right behind it, we can see a brand new check valve that's been installed on the locomotive. And if we follow this line all the way to just before the injector, which is right there, you can see another check valve. These were brand new valves we bought from a company we've done business with in Fresno. So some parts we can actually still purchase today, which is pretty amazing. Over here is this is the nut that goes on the propane line. And you can see the propane line is connected already. And then over there is our other fire that we'll put into the firebox. Propane directly in this way, and then there's the burner. This long handle right here is sitting on this nut. This is the oil line, and right now it is shut off. But if we turned it 90 degrees, the oil would be flowing. We shut off the oil whenever the locomotive is not in service. And walking back around to the front, we can see locomotive number 15 just resting, ready for its next assignment. Those of you that are not familiar with the Shea locomotive, you'll notice that boiler is offset to one side. And that's because of all the drivetrain and gears on the pistons on this side. So it's just to counterbalance all that weight. And over there you can see the lathes, milling machine, all the equipment that helps keep both our steam locomotives and other passenger cars and rail cars all in service. Hope you enjoyed the tour this week, and looking forward to showing you something more next week. Have a great day.